Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0040 error code and running rough? This issue can cause poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and even high emissions. In this video, we'll cover what P0040 means, the exact sensor location, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because ignoring this issue can damage your engine and catalytic converter. What does P0040 mean? The P0040 code stands for O2 sensor signal swapped bank 1 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 1. This means your car's oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors, have been installed incorrectly, or their wiring has been swapped between bank 1 and bank 2. Since the ECU uses these sensors to adjust the air-fuel mixture, incorrect readings can lead to engine performance issues. Symptoms of P0040. Check engine light on poor fuel efficiency. Rough idling or engine hesitation increased emissions, possibly leading to a failed smog test. Sulfur-like smell from the exhaust. Alright, let's dive into some common causes of the P0040 error code. First up, we have oxygen sensors installed in the wrong bank. It's crucial that these sensors are in the correct location. Next, swapped oxygen sensor wiring. Sometimes the wiring connectors may have been connected incorrectly. Then, damaged or frayed wiring. Short circuits can cause incorrect signals. Another cause could be ECU misinterpretation. A software issue can confuse the sensor readings. And lastly, faulty oxygen sensors. A bad sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU. Now, where are the oxygen sensors located for the P0040 error code? First, let's talk about the bank 1 sensor 1, also known as B1S1. This sensor is located before the catalytic converter on bank 1. In 4-cylinder engines, bank 1 is usually on the same side as cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 1 is typically on the passenger side. Bank 2 sensor 1, or B2S1, is located before the catalytic converter on bank 2. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 2 is usually on the driver's side. O2 sensor wiring connectors are typically found near the exhaust manifold or firewall. If you encounter a P0040 code after replacing the sensor, make sure to check if the connectors are swapped. Here's a tip. Always refer to your car's repair manual for the exact sensor locations based on your make and model. First, check the sensor installation. Ensure bank 1 sensor 1 is installed in bank 1, and bank 2 sensor 1 is installed in bank 2. Next, inspect the wiring connections. Trace the O2 sensor wiring harnesses and make sure they are not crossed. 3. Look for wiring damage. Check for burnt, frayed, or loose wires around the exhaust system. 4. Test O2 sensor signals with an OBD2 scanner. Compare bank 1 and bank 2 sensor readings. If they're swapped, reconnect them correctly. 5. Clear the code and test drive. After fixing, use an OBD2 scanner to reset the P0040 code and confirm the fix. So that's everything you need to know about P0040 O2 sensor signal swap between banks. If you're facing this issue, check the sensor installation and wiring first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0230 fuel pump primary circuit malfunction. 2. P0243 turbocharger wastegate solenoid malfunction. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.